What's up guys, it's Joshua in another video. Today I'm going to show you about 318. There are a couple of things that you need to know. 318, the lights. Off my light now. That's the 318 lights. Backlights of course they have 330E. But we have other things to do, so today this is 318, as you can see, this is the lights. Again, the LED lights. Also, this inch is silver. This is this puppy is a 16 inch, back 17, 16 inch for both tires, and rims as well. This, as you can see, is pretty dirty black lights. It's Imperial blue. Okay, there's a couple of things you might be thinking. Why am I doing a 318 and a 330? I'll already show you the full. This is the low spec of 3 Series. My 3 Series is the full spec. As you can see, this is a replacement car. Because it's Autobot Warrior, so it's also a replacement car. So now I'm just gonna pop in my car. As you can see, the side controllers are the same as the P320E M Sport. This is just a 318 full spec. It's not full spec, just 318 luxury. Now, coming to the performance power, the 330E is more powerful. Okay, so this is the key also. Key fob is, I'm sorry, blurry, but I mean, this is just BMW unlock. So this is the meter. Well, I'll start the car. Well, this is the lights. Well, if I now go and decrease the lights, well, you know, just use this button. Yeah, wait a minute. There you see this button there. This light up there. So I'm just gonna push this thing in. As you can see, it's already maximum. The BMW maximum. Now I'm going to push this thing lower. You can see the thing decreases. So as you push that button there, I'm rolling on top. Just push however much you want, but this one is really maximum for the 318i. And also this is the handbrakes. Well, as you can see, nothing runs. But differences is this part is called like a marble type of thing, which is classic. This part's this thing's a bit small compared to 330E. There's media, menu, com basically. Back option. This not button is just the sides. But behind the other one, this is the screen. Well, as you can see, if you look at my earlier videos, the 318 has a full size, not like this line. It's just a full screen. Why this one has finishing scan there? Because it's a low spec, so you don't give any much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click behind the right one because I'm the right one, and gearbox. As you can see, you compare your 330E, this is a bit higher. And also if you go to here, you can see if I can put up, there's the screen here, and also shows here and here. You can see your spot display. So if you want, I'm going to Eco Pro now. So when you go to Eco Pro, you can see there's only a difference with only the screen, which is in 330E doesn't show up. I maybe share settings about that. And also shows here for 318 it shows both screens. So another thing I want to talk about is the buttons are all the same, no problem with it. But up near the start-stop engine, the 330E doesn't have this dynamic traction off one here. Only 330E only has one here. 318IS, the 318 it has two spots. Gearbox, things fine. And also the 318 doesn't have a navigation system, low spec. No keyless entry, just a button. Keyless entry, just put a hand. Okay, so the thing is 3318 it only can go up to Sport, whereas 330E only can go up to Sport, go up to Sport Plus. So screen. And there's another different similarity is this thing. Like I mentioned, my other 330E, this thing has the source to go to any main line if you got an accident, and if you want your car, you're just not unconscious, you're still conscious. Go here, press the button, tell a problem, you're in the accident, tell your place if you don't know. They can track your location. And this is also classic. You see, when you open your car, it's not blue color as the 330E has blue. This one's just is luxury. This is classic. Luxury is the same lights. And whereas this whole controller part is the same except for the screen. Settings of these buttons. You go up, it has two spots, you understand? Goes up as this spot and this spot. Go up, you have this spot and this spot. Well, the 330e, I'm not really sure, I'm not really good at this cars. And the handles here, we are quite differentiate. The 330e is a bit bigger and the shape of the steering is a bit different. These parts are different. Well, at the same time, you have neutral. Oh yeah, auto, neutral, side lights, and so this is, I'm going to go auto now. This, on the other hand, is hold on. This, on the other hand, this button goes on the fog. It doesn't got a fog lamp. Is the low beam lights, and if you off it, the low beam lights for this 318. Open my car. Well, for this 318, I'm gonna on these buttons. First, we are gonna on this button is the low beam lights. So when on, it's halogen. Whereas for the 330e, it's white. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. This is how it looks. It's halogen. Okay. So next, if you're in a fog lamp, well, halogen is still the best. If you're in a fog, just go ahead and press this button. It increases for fog. So you don't want it, just off it. And well, that's for 318. You can. So 318. This part, when you press when you're driving, this thing it goes to 1/100. So when you press your oil, as you go for comfort, it's really showing that, which is very different. When you go to the 330e, it doesn't show like the sport one. It just shows a normal one. So it's not stupid to show that. So this is not stupid, I'm just showing close back. So this, on the other hand, for the 330e is a little bit different. Efficient dynamics, true enough. So sport, it still goes the same, but it shows the sport. So I'm gonna go brief you with the Eco Pro. It shows fuel consumption for this car is more lower compared to 330e hybrid, but also Eco Pro is a saving thing, is saving, also smooth, but also saving petrol. But compared to the fuel consumption for this car and 330 is totally different. And saving is of course 330 best, and fuel consumption is of course better and higher grade. So you go comfort. Comfort is when you're going far, it goes fast and it's comfortable. As you go for sport, it's a sport car, so when you go on top, it's still bumpy and all that. Because well, this car you can't feel anything, but when you go for the Eco Pro, but this car, if you go for the Eco Pro, it's quite slow. If you go for the comfort, it can't match the 330. If you go for comfort, it can't match the 330 Eco Pro or any other car. For example, I take my Vios or a Toyota or a Ford. You actually can't get this kind of technology. My Ford or my Peugeot or Viva, don't laugh at it. But if this kind of car, you actually can beat this kind of comfort. But if you go to comfort, this car cannot match this for you. But if you go for Vios, sorry, not Vios, you go for a Camry, for example. You can go for a hybrid or non-hybrid, or you take a Civic 1.5 turbo or 1.8 non-turbo. Still can cut this car. I don't know about the CC, but it's also on driver. But this car, Eco Pro, is super slow. Comfort, Eco Pro, comfort, and also this car sport can't match my car. My 330's comfort. This is based on car, so I can't actually tell you much. But also, as you can see, I already told you this. Okay, here are the side sides, but everything is same except 330e. They have the back part. You know, see the back part here. She has a shield to block the cover thing on top, so it covers when the sun rays. Whereas this one, this 318 on 3, doesn't have anything. Also, whereas you see on the 330e, that lights on the side. Well, because the luxury, so the 330e doesn't have this because it's sport mode. Maybe it's blue, it's sport. So this is the sides. There's lights here also. Lights at the bottom because it's a classic car. You can see the driver doors also have lights like that. Just zoomed it. This is the mirror shape on the mirrors. There's the sensor. Okay, so this is the PVC's hub. As you can see, it's also 360, which is the whole thing. Not camera, just 360 sensor, the whole back and front, left, right. Oh, they got the sensor. Is this, if I put to here, you can see dynamic traction control activated. So key fob, this car. Okay, this is the unlock button. You can see now I'm going to press it. Lock it. This is the emergency signal. Okay, there's another differentiate of this. As the 330E you push, it just goes down back. If you don't turn, it's pushed, it goes down, but the signal is still there. That's for 330E 318i, you push it up, still stuck there. You make a turn like the old car, it goes back down. When you put this one, same thing, it goes down. So same thing for the wiper. I can't do it for my wiper. You just have to pull back like that, push, but I'm not going to do it. Just tilt it backwards, this way, that, just push it back. And if you want to make it auto, this make it auto, just push it up, just like this way, just push it up like this, just push it up, do want it. And if you actually just push it up to make the wiper go on, the wiper still turning, just push it down. That's what 330E 318. It's the same. If this just still stop, it doesn't, just do what I told you, push it down back. Well, this is the 318. Well, as the 330E, if you press that button, it still doesn't go. It goes. If you press the button for 330E, it still goes. Whereas for this one, I'm pressing, it doesn't go. So now if I press a long time, see, it goes. So I press for a long time, see, it goes. See, it's also in the Bluetooth pair. Another Bluetooth process, you have to Bluetooth it. That's for 330E, straight goes, voice command. So this one, you must Bluetooth. See, there's a lot of few specs on the 318. Mistake, yeah, very good, my 330E car. Okay, this is the volume. This is the volume buttons. There's also a same thing. I didn't mention my 330E button. There's also a place where you just use this and you can go like another one. You just go. It's the button. One, just the back button. You can go back. Okay. So now I'm going to show you the difference between power. I'm going to put it to Eco Pro and show you the power. That's it. That's in comfort. That's in sport. But you may find it is the same thing. But I'm just ramping. I'm not going to be mean. But this car is kind of powerful. But that's the power of this car. Okay, this is the BMW logo. I'm pretty sure I showed you this car. Also, every toy has this finishing.